My name is Rishabh and today I'm here with my one Avishkaar Makerboard sound sensor project. Today I have made one sound line project. So as you can see, here is my sound sensor, and whenever this sound sensor will detect any type of sound, it can be a clap sound, it can be a vocal sound, it can be any type of sound. It will send the message to the Makerboard, and the Makerboard will display a heart on its LED matrix. So for this project, this is my code. So are you all excited to see the working? Let's see all together and have a lot of fun. So now I'm going to clap. See the heart. And now I'm going to say hello. Hello. See the beautiful heart. So I hope you have liked my this project. Thank you. Have a nice day.